Hello everyone, welcome back to today's class. In this video, we will look at a complete model presentation and see how structure, language, and delivery work together. Pay attention to how the speaker introduces the topic, explains the problem, presents solutions, and closes with a strong final message. This video shows the main parts of a complete 3-minute presentation. A strong presentation includes a clear introduction, a focused problem statement, practical solutions, a strong conclusion, and confident delivery. Each part has a purpose, and together they create a cohesive and persuasive presentation. The model topic is plastic waste in Guayaquil. The main problem is that plastic waste affects public spaces, harms the environment, and shows the need for better recycling habits. The goal of the presentation is to persuade the audience that practical solutions can reduce plastic waste and improve the quality of life in the city. The introduction begins with a greeting and clearly states the topic. The speaker says that the presentation is about plastic waste in Guayaquil. Then, the speaker explains why the topic is important by connecting it to streets, parks, rivers, and public spaces. This helps the audience understand the local impact of the issue. The problem statement names the issue directly and explains it clearly. In this example, plastic waste in Guayaquil is described as a serious local problem. The speaker explains that many people use plastic bags, bottles, and containers every day, but not all of this waste is recycled correctly. Then, the speaker shows the effect. Pollution damages the environment and makes the city look less clean and organized. The presentation then gives 3 practical solutions. The first solution is to create more recycling points in public areas. The second is to organize awareness campaigns in schools and neighborhoods. The third is to apply stricter rules for single-use plastics. These solutions are clear because they respond directly to the problem and explain how plastic waste can be reduced. The conclusion brings the presentation to a strong ending. First, it restates the problem by reminding the audience that plastic waste is serious but can be reduced. Then, it summarizes the 3 solutions: more recycling points, education campaigns, and stronger rules. Finally, it gives a call to action by encouraging citizens and local authorities to work together. A strong presentation is not only about content. Delivery is also important. A good speaker uses a clear voice, maintains eye contact, uses natural gestures, stands with good posture, avoids reading, and controls the time. These delivery skills help the audience understand the message and trust the speaker. To summarize, a complete presentation brings structure and delivery together. It should be organized, clear, persuasive, well-practiced, and delivered confidently. Structure helps communicate your message, and delivery helps your audience believe it. When both work together, your presentation becomes stronger and more memorable. You have now seen how a complete model presentation works. Remember that a strong presentation is not just about what you say. It is also about how you organize your ideas, how you practice, and how you connect with your audience. Thank you for watching.